we comply with our commitment to Interpol.
Tignan ninyo yung pagpikit niya. Pikit ng bangag. Nako.
It derived from or it came from
Kaya palang tagal bago lumabas.
Interpol
Kasi nag-session pa.
and we have commitments to them and
Ay,
we
nako.
lived up to those commitments.
Ano? Ngiwi na.
Question, sir. Mr.
Ano na?
President, sinasabi ng kapo ni PRRD na unlawful arrest daw
Uy, oh.
pag-aresto sa kanya.
Bangag na bangag. Oh.
We followed every single necessary procedure.
Ngiwi. Mga comments. Drug test ka muna.
To serve that warrant and to regain this right. We followed all the legal procedures that are necessary.
Ano legal procedures?
I'm confident that if further
yung pagpikit ng mata mo,
you will find that,
pikit ng nakahay.
it's, proper and correct.
Sir, third question from the MPC. Mr. President,
Pati yung kita niyang pagpikit. Ay nahay, oh.
No. Bakit naman? Dahil,
Ngiwi.
consistent naman tayo. Hindi tayo tumutulong sa investigasyon ng ICC.
Hindi, iba talagang ano niya dito, nakahit-hit talaga.
Wala tayo. Meron tayong contact sa kanila, natural. Pero, no, not an official.
Ayan nyo, sooner or later mamamatay din to sa... Kasi, syempre, pag drug addict ka talaga eh.
What we did today was in compliance with our commitments to Interpol.
Pasintabi sa mga kumakain po.
It just so happened that that came from ICC. But it's
Sige, murahin nyo nga sa comment.
It's because it came from Interpol.
Pwede mo namang hindi entertain yung Interpol
Mr. President, sinasabi po nila na ito ay political persecution lamang at may kaugnayan din daw sa 2028 elections.
Ang ina mo.
Okay. Well,
Okay.
I'm sure.
Yung tawang guilt.
But
Ang klaseng sagot yan.
this case
Matulog ka
started
muna,
in
Ngagba.
2017 when we were still members of the ICC, and it was during the time of
Ang ina mo.
former President Duterte.
Bangag.
So I don't see how that can be political persecution on my
Hay na
part,
hay.
because it was initiated before I even came into the picture. So
Tingnan niyo.